In the world of heroes and villains, Saitama, known for his unmatched strength and unassuming demeanor, finds himself in an unusual predicament today. As he stands in his sparsely furnished apartment, as the sneeze escapes him, a shockwave radiates throughout the room, transforming the mundane into a scene of utter pandemonium. Meanwhile, the intruder beneath the floor, unaware of the power that Saitama wields, finds itself caught in the middle of this unexpected storm. Caught off guard by the sheer force of his own sneeze, Saitama glances around, bewildered by the messy aftermath, while the intruder, despite its initial shock, contemplates the absurdity of the situation. This unexpected encounter is far from what either of them anticipated.